guys, what is up? We are at Aquatica Orlando today for their birthday beach bash. We are celebrating 15 years of the park being open. Let's go inside and celebrate. Alright, so as you come in towards the front, they have a little photo op. Little birds. Nice. Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Alright, happy birthday. Woo! Alright, so it looks like this starts with Aquatica under construction. It's a big old spiral. Basically tells you a bunch of highlights of the park. That's actually pretty neat. Woo! Alright, and then it ends with 2023, happy 15th birthday Aquatica. That's pretty awesome.
And discuss all the exciting plans we have for Aquatica this year. 2023 marks the 15th year here at Aquatica, and we could not be any prouder of all the family experiences we have helped deliver throughout those years. I was part of the team, fortunate to be part of the team 15 years ago, and there's a gentleman here that's got our opening day t-shirt on. When I saw you come across the bridge, I was like, yes, that shirt brings back a lot of great memories 15 years ago. I'd like to take a moment and reflect on all the park enhancements we've made over the years. We've added family slides like Kari Kari Curl, Ray Rush, Riptide Race, Reef Plunge, that are included in our collection of slides. We've also added extreme thrilling slides like Ehu's Breakaway Falls. Ehu's Breakaway Falls is right over my left shoulder. That slide has the steepest drop boxes in Florida. They're 80 degrees, almost 90 degrees vertical drops. Also 120 stairs up for those of you who like to get your steps in. I can only do it probably a couple times a day. All of these attractions have earned Aquatica the accolade as of America's #1 water park, as voted on by USA Today's 10 Best. In 2023, not only do we have an incredible children's area that we're building, we've also got our strongest lineup of events in park history. Turi's Kid Cove, featuring Tamarika Twirl, will debut this spring. This is an all-new children's area with new water play elements, expanded pool area, water features, and a mini version of Kari Kari Curl. Kari Kari Curl is this attraction, the orange and blue attraction over my right shoulder. We've got a scaled-down model designed for our younger guests, which will help enhance this overall family experience that we have here at Aquatica. We will continue the Aquatica's tradition of Noche de San Juan, which has become a very popular tradition here at Aquatica, celebrating that popular Puerto Rican holiday. In the fall, early September on the weekends, we will continue with Fiesta Aquatica. It will bring Latin-inspired music, cuisine, and entertainment to the park on weekends, and it will take place during our normal operating hours. October, November, and December, we will continue with Movies on the Beach with our Beach Nights program. Every Saturday night, we will transform this beach into basically a theater. Guests will come in, sit, enjoy a movie. Leading up to Christmas, we will obviously have holiday movies. There will be games and other activities for everyone in the family to participate in. All these events are part of our 2023 lineup, part of our past member program. We look forward to getting Turi's Kid Cove and Tamarika Twirl open and launching these events as the year moves forward.
Alright, so this is Louie the sloth. He lives at Discovery Cove, but he does do past member meet and greets. Adorable. So this is Taz. He's a tawny frogmouth. Very beautiful.
8 years old.
8 years old, guys. Beautiful. So these are some of the food selections as part of the 15th birthday. We've got some delicious looking cupcakes, Cuban sandwich, Aquatica's birthday punch, beef and cheese empanadas, a chicken pesto panini, pina colada, and I do love those glasses, tiki ones, very nice. And then some spinach and artichoke empanadas, which are vegetarian, very nice. Alright, so behind this wall is going to be the all-new Turi's Kid Cove. We are headed inside. Ooh. Woohoo!
Redoing them. New slide park.
Awesome, and you can see all the new slides. Alright, so that's going to do it here from Aquatica Orlando. For the birthday beach bash, we got to take a look at some of the delicious eats, Turi's Kids Cove, and overall see what's in store for 2023. I want to thank you to Aquatica Orlando for inviting us out, and we'll see you guys next time.